Today we are trying out this rainbow SX70 that I got at a yard sale like last year and I never tried it. Let's pop this bad boy in. Hopefully it works. I think it probably will. Okay, moment of truth. You're doing great. Can you sit? Sit down. Sit. Okay, stay. Stay. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't work. My shutter button's getting stuck. I'm gonna go in the dark and put this dark slide back in that film cartridge, and then I'm gonna use a different camera. Stay in posy today. Nothing works for me. Nothing. Jasmine wants to say hi. Hi, Jasmine. You're so pretty. Okay. I fucked up. So I put the dark slide in this, but I didn't put it on top, as you can see. So, I'm gonna try this baby. The button. Okay, I can't give you attention all the time. Wait, stop. Okay, let's try this one. I think that was my fault. Jasmine. So that just means there will be a total of 3 pictures wasted out of 8. Let's try again. I'm scared. I didn't close the door yet, dude. Now it's even taking it out. Should I just take a picture? Okay. I took this picture out with it, but this one was already exposed, so that doesn't really matter. Okay, let's try a real picture. Jasmine, you ready? Come on, my model. It seems like there's a delay after I hit the button, which is kind of annoying, but we'll see if it works. Do 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 do. I'm gonna try a few more and see if they work. No more messing around. I'm breaking out the bad boy. Okay, I forgot to specify here that this camera I've actually had for a long time and I know how it works and I have used it plenty of times, so I know that it works. Okay, it's not one that I just bought and I'm just using it to test the film, make sure it still works even though I messed with it. Okay, thanks, bye. if it's the camera or if it's the film. If I fucked up the film. It doesn't feel like it went in right. It still sounds weird though. That doesn't sound normal. From what I'm used to anyway. What? I'm not talking to you, Jasmine. It's not all about you. It's like it's working. Here's what these other ones look like. I think they look really cool. This one turned out, it's just really dark. You can't see the camera. And that was on the button one. Interesting. This one did not turn out. I think it must have got some light on it when I was changing it. I have 2 pictures left. I'm kind of surprised this one of Jasmine is turning out because I just put, when I had the film in the button camera, I just tried to slide the black slide in and it worked. So I think my next video is gonna be drawing or like painting on Polaroids because that seems like a good idea, and I seen Casey Golden do it, who's an artist, and it looked fun. It's a good way to use some old Polaroids that didn't turn out because they're expensive, so it's like so hard to throw them away even though they didn't turn out, you know? I'm gonna take another picture of Jasmine because she's the only thing that matters to me. Look at this large child. No, Jasmine, you moved. My shutter's open, so there's that. Alright, well, we got one more, so. Okay, so that one worked okay. Alright, well, here was that for a very boring episode of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed me suffering. Sorry this video is pretty lackluster, but this is the reality of film. Most of the time it doesn't work out, but that's okay because when it does work out then it's like super awesome, you know? So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!
Oh, baby.